I'm getting film here.
Yeah.
Move.
Back up.
Now it's komodo aggressive.
Back up.
Oh, okay.
Back up. Oh, got a battle.
They are fighting.
Uh-oh.
I got the movie going too.
Move back.
Oh, I heard that.
Komodo fight now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my bark.
Take video, okay, please. Okay. Very good moment.
Can you see them kind of moving over there?
Nope, they're out of my view right now.
Okay. But I got video going.
Yeah. This will be totally cool on the site. Oh. Did he smack the other guy?
Yeah, with his tail.
Yeah, wow.
So that's why we're not close with the tail of the dragon, because very strong they hit them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, you scared, huh? By dragon.
Jangan lari, foto terus.
Oh, sorry.
Wow.
Knockdown, drag it down, fight. Drag it.
Hebat makanya deh.
Knock out.
Knockdown dragon fight? Is that what you were going for?
I was trying to figure out what the real word is. But
Wah, semua. Nah, mama itu dulu kita nih. Tangeri kemana lo? Dendam. Be careful, move. Move.
yeah, is he coming this way?
They're coming enough this way that they're keeping us safe.
Yeah.
Because you don't know what direction they may go.
Right.
Very good moment today. It's dragon's good soul. Good soul today.
Yeah, good show.
Fighting,
Yeah.
yeah?
Yeah. So who's taking bets on the fight?
Very good soul.
Yeah.
It is
No.
for you.
Uh-oh. I hear hissing.
Yeah. Ooh, that's an evil sound in his too.
Okay. Everything higher now. I think this dragon's going to fight.
Oh. And this in the red corner, it's Jimmy the Dragon. In the blue corner, it's Killer Fire Eater.
The small one. You think it's small one?
Oh,
Hello guys.
yeah.
Lepas huru lo kiri lo yang tu. Hello guys.
It's small one. It's a small one.
Mana kemana hitam?
This one, huh? This one.
That's why I call for a hissy.
Okay.
Dahulu itu.
I think we have to go ahead, right? But maybe slowly.
We're going to start off first, so they...
Okay, yeah, so they can catch us.
Okay.
They can't catch us.
Hey guys,
We're too
enough
fast.
take picture?